how to write Urdu in Photoshop. Now first of all, I'll open the Photoshop and here I'll open a new file. So let's say I'll select this. So here this is a simple page. Now in order to write Urdu we have multiple options. So we'll type and we'll go here down and select this to Urdu. Make sure that you have downloaded this Urdu version. So let's say I'll start typing here like so. As you can see that, let me make it bigger. These are basically not combined. If I want to write in combined, what will I have to do is I'll go to this edit option and basically preferences and type, and here I have to choose this Middle Eastern and South Asian style. I'll select OK. Now I'll type. So it is not working again. Now I have to restart the Photoshop. So I'll go here and find a font here. Wait a second, it's basically Urdu typing. We'll try to write here, otherwise we have to restart it. So it is not again working, so we have to restart this. Okay. We have to restart the Photoshop. Let it be open. So we'll again open a new file here. And now we will again try to type. Yeah. You can see that now we can write combine. You can write anything do you want. So this has started working. So you have to basically restart after changing the setting. So this is how to write Urdu in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.